my friend Stephanie Barnard at the Stamps of Life, and it is time for a club set reveal. Now, I'm really excited about this one because not only is it good for everyone in your life, it's also especially good for all the guys in your life or all of the cooks in your life because it is called Barbecue to Stamp. And look at that. Is that awesome or what? Now, I know a lot of you have requested this type of stamp set, so I'm really excited to bring this one to you. For example, it says, "What's cooking? Good looking." Now, I use that phrase all the time in my daily talk. What's cooking? Good looking? I just say it a lot. And sometimes I mean it as a question. Sometimes I mean it as a statement. So I added this question mark separately because you might want it as a statement or as a question, and I didn't want to guess which one you wanted it as, so I added it separately. It's rare to find a friend like you. Hey, hot stuff. Barbecue time, a small barbecue time, and Frank's a lot. Get it for, hot dogs. And then we have a cute little steak. We have like a turkey or a chicken leg. We have a hot dog. We have some little grass tufts. Now, I made the lid separate so you could do different things with it, and I have some fun samples to share with you. Now, Stamp Club members, yours are already on your way to you. But Die Hard Club members get the same stamps and the dies that match, and look at all the fun dies you're getting with this. You're getting the inside dies and the shadows as well, so you're getting two bangs for your buck because look at all those fun dies you're getting. Now, you are going to use those little grass pieces a lot more than you realize because those would go great for anything like the picnic table, anything, the mailbox, anything like that. Now, of course, my club members are getting the cute little postcard that has some ideas on it, and it also shows you the other add-on sets that are optional. Let's check out all my amazing samples from my design team. Here's a cute one, King of the Grill. Now that King of the Grill is a little bit of a sneak peek, so you're gonna need to watch the next video. Open it up. Hope your day is well done. Look how cute that is. Here's another cute one. Oh, another sneak peek. I wonder if you can see it. But look at those cute little tufts of grass. So fun. Oh, here's a good one. This one's ready, really grilling. Oh, with those cute little ants. I love those ants from the picnic set. I just absolutely love it. And look how cute that is. They are really grilling already. Starting to make me hungry. Here's a cute one. It's rare to find a friend like you. Cute little accessories. Oh, also on this one, really quick, I also wanted to mention the Starburst stamp background. Isn't that fantastic? I love that. It's subtle, so you don't notice it, but you notice something is special about it, which is really fun. Here's an awesome one. You are, oh, and look at this. The lid is on a little brad, so you could open and close it. You are flippin' awesome. Isn't that cute? Isn't that cute? Here's a cute one using Friends for Cookie. Frank's a lot, and he looks like he's ready to eat, doesn't he? So cute. Oh, the little hot dogs at the bottom. I love that. I love how they're, because of the swish card, they're literally poking out those little hot dogs. Here's a cute one. It's rare to find a friend like you with background paper made. So fun. Ooh, here's a hello stand-up. Hello. Open it up. What's cooking? Good looking. Isn't that cute? So much fun. Here's an awesome one. This is our double Z fold card that was on HSN. It's rare to find a friend like you. Look at this. And again, opens and closes. So cute. And then look at that. Wow. You are flipping awesome. And all those pieces are just hanging up. So cute. Look at that. They just literally pop up with that Z fold. So fun. Here's a cute one using the Kenny. I definitely want you to use that Kenny doll that you already have. Perfect size for this grill. I made sure that he was a great size for the grill. Look at that, King of the Grill. Here's another cute one with another sneak peek. What's cooking? Look at that, isn't that cute? Here's another. I'm telling you guys, my design team went crazy on all of these. Here's one smoking. Look at all those fun pieces, little fire piece on there. Hey, hot stuff. It's rare to find a friend like you. So cute. You are flippin' awesome. Oh, this is, I showed this one to Kenny. I love this one because it's Stephanie in the pool, perfect, and Ken cooking for Stephanie. That is my perfect day right there. Ken cooking for me and me in the pool. I love it. It's perfect. Let's see, here's another cute one with our dotted ovals. Hey, hot stuff. And here's a gorgeous one. This one's gonna really knock your socks off. Ready? So here it is. What's cooking? Good looking. And you're gonna open it up and look at that. It is actually our Z fold card that Michelle turned into an amazing pop-up. Look how fun that is. And there's a little plate up here. Lots of things to look at this one. So definitely go check out this one in the idea gallery because you're really going to want to see this one up close and personal. So fun. Now, club members, of course, yours are already on their way to you. If you are not in the club, you are missing out. Our club start at only $11.95 a month. That includes that brand new stamp set sent to you automatically each month. Then you're getting a 15% discount on our website off of everything. Machines, accessories, dies, stamps, markers, inks, everything. And it's so much fun. And you get to earn club points and you get anniversary gifts, and there's a sign-on bonus for 2 free gifts when you join. It's just so much fun. Now, if I went too fast on any of these, rest assured they're all on our online gallery. Go to our website, thestampsoflife.com, click on gallery, and you're going to see all of these fun samples up close and personal. You can favorite some of them. You could even print them out if you wanted to copy them. It's all up to you. Thank you so much, my friends, and I will see you again soon. Bye-bye.